To use an Orca card. Start by understanding what it is. An Orca card is a reusable transit card used for paying fares on public transportation in the Puget Sound region of Washington state. It can be used on buses, light rail, streetcars, and ferries, making it a convenient option for commuters. First, you need to obtain an Orca card. You can buy one at a retail store, online, or at a transit agency office. Once you have the card, you need to add value to it. You can add value online, by phone, or in person at a transit agency office or retail store. The card can be loaded with a pay-as-you-go balance or a monthly pass. To pay with your Orca card, simply tap it on the Orca reader when you board a bus or enter a transit station. The reader will beep and display the fare deducted from your card. Make sure to tap off when you exit a bus or leave a transit station to avoid being charged the maximum fare. When using your Orca card on a ferry, you need to tap your card on the reader before boarding the ferry. On light rail and streetcars, you need to tap your card on the reader before and after your trip. It is essential to keep your Orca card in good condition to ensure it works properly. Avoid bending or scratching the card, and keep it away from magnetic fields. If your card is lost or stolen, report it immediately to the transit agency to avoid unauthorized use. To get the most out of your Orca card, consider registering it online. This will allow you to track your usage, add value, and receive balance updates. You can also set up automatic reloads to ensure you never run out of balance. By following these steps, you can easily use your Orca card to pay for public transportation in the Puget Sound region. Remember to always tap on and off, keep your card in good condition, and register it online to enjoy a convenient and hassle-free commuting experience.